Let's get back to calls on this. We're also going to pick up with an American-Israeli journalist, Emily Shrader, who is based in Tel Aviv, currently in an air shelter there. And she joins us now. Emily, thank you so much. Just tell us, how is it there tonight?
I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty stressful. I've been here in the shelter for a bit. We actually just got a notification that we can go out, but already there are conflicting reports about a possible third wave of ballistic missiles. So we are getting reports from the Army that so far over 200 ballistic missiles have been launched at Israel across the country. The first one was nationwide. There was an additional alert right after that for the north, and then the second wave of rocket strikes. Now here in the shelter, especially the first wave of attacks, we did feel quite a few booms. The shelter was actually shaking, the one that I'm in now. I don't believe there was a hit nearby exactly my neighborhood. However, we do know that there were some direct hits in the central region. Disputing reports still about how many, but I think at the minimum, there have been 2 hits. Now, that being said, the majority of these missiles have been intercepted successfully. I mean, we're talking about over 200, but still an incredibly stressful situation. We know that the Islamic Republic launched quite a few missiles, or attempted to launch quite a few missiles and drones earlier. There was a barrage of 100. None of them actually made it into Israeli territory. We saw Jordan, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, even Turkish planes in the air defending, and of course British and American both defending against these ballistic missiles and drones that were being sent over to Israel. So people understand that, and I think right now the number one concern is security, making sure that everyone is safe in these barrages, which are significantly more scary than we have seen before. And it remains to be seen what will happen later. Of course, there's a political element. There's always a political element. But at the end of the day, Israel does have to deal with this threat. It's not going away on its own. And we can't allow Iran to have a nuclear weapon, whether we have a left-wing government or a right-wing government.